Maybe just a couple of things to add there, Elson, on the collecting of the samples. When you're talking about making sure your hands are clean and stuff, I mean, I think it's pretty important too that everyone knows the most important thing is that you don't get dirt or dust on the plant material. So like when the plants are smaller, say in cereals, I just take the top leaves. I actually just go and either take a scissors and cut them off or just twist them off with my hand. But you want to be careful that you don't end up, say, pulling up a root and getting soil contamination in the bag. Or if the plants are dusty, I'm not sure what your comments are about washing or not. Some people maybe wash the samples. I'm not sure what your comments on there, but yeah, I mean, it's just keep them dry and dry it down, and then that sample could be sent in a year later if you wanted, if it's dry, because that's all they do in the lab is they dry it down before it goes through the analysis, right? So
yeah, great comments. One of the biggest contaminants, like we speak a lot about contamination from your hands and stuff, which that's true, but the biggest problem with contamination is from the soil. And Terry, if you knew how many tissue samples that I've washed with distilled water, it's got to be distilled water, because tap water can be loaded with a lot of different shit. If you knew how many samples that I've washed in my career with distilled water, that's a big, big number. And so